Atlas Copco Group products play a key role in producing just about everything we need and consume. Solutions include compressors, vacuum pumps, industrial tooling, and portable power equipment.
Our products help build the products that get America going.
The best part of my job is visiting customers from every industry and seeing how their products are made.
We're obsessed with innovation.
Saving money on electricity, downtime, and service are all key to keeping our customers ahead.
The ergonomics of our products improves the lives of our operators.
Diversity runs through our business.
Diversity runs through our products too. From powering construction sites to life-saving medical equipment.
I'm a proud veteran, one of many within the Atlas Copco Group.
We work here, we live here. We love being an active part of the community.
Technology goes way beyond just our products.
First-class logistics is essential to our success. We have a great team and it's our job to make it happen.
From graphic designers to web search specialists, event coordinators, and social media experts, we need them all within the Atlas Copco Group.
Your career at Atlas Copco Group can take you wherever you want to go.
With so many business units and opportunities,
we only know where the journey begins.
Where it goes is up to you.
With more than 60 brands globally and having committed to science-based targets around sustainability, the group's unwavering commitment is to continue to provide innovation which empowers our customers to grow and drive society forward.
This is how we transform.
This is how we transform.
This is how we transform the future.
The future.
The future.